How to log into your account on OnlyFans. In this video, I'll show you how to log into your account in OnlyFans website. Let's get started. First, make sure you are connected to internet. After that, open any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in OnlyFans and click enter. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official website of OnlyFans. Now click on home button and you'll be loaded to this page. Here, to log into your account, you have to type in your credentials on this field. If you have not signed up your account yet, click on sign up for OnlyFans and create a new account. And if you have forgotten your password, click on this forgot password link and reset it. Now to log in, type in your email address on this first field. Now type in your password on the second field and click on login. You can also sign in with your X account, your Google account or passwordless sign in. And that's it. This is how you will be logged into your account on OnlyFans. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.